Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dhruv Coding. So now this is my second video on what are the features in Scratch. And my name is Dhruv, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. So now let us start. Okay. So now I have already opened my Scratch, and in my last video I had showed you that what are the features in Scratch, but I had not showed you for all of them. I had just showed you for some of them. Last time I just showed you for this one, but this time I am going to show you for something else. For all these features. Well, so white is not yet visible properly. Let me just take this color. For all these features. So now let us start. Okay, so now let me start with the first thing which comes here is this. So this scratch is our main page over here. So it is going to show you featured projects. Let me zoom it. Featured projects, featured studios, projects curated by Diki. So this Diki, it is a user's name. So then Scratch Design Studio Out of Seasons. So this is a studio called Out of Seasons. Then what people are remixing. So there is the option of remixing it. So I'm just going to show to you and what community is loving. So now let me just adjust my video. Okay, so I have adjusted it. So now let us start. So here I have shown you what is it. And now let's go to create. So wait. So let us wait. It is not this, but it is this create option. Okay, so here is the place where you are going to work out everything. Here is the place where your game or animations are going to run. And then here are the costumes of the characters. So here the characters are known as sprites. So like if I want to remove this leg and the part, so I'll just do backspace and this part has gotten invisible. Then I want to remove his leg, removed, hand removed, tail removed, face removed, this part also removed. So I can just do like this or I can directly delete the sprite from here. Okay, so now this here. So here you can give the name of your game. For example, running cat. So I will just put running kit and then here. So now let me take you here to see project page. So here is the option of share. So here I can share my game and other people can see. And yes, here are the instructions which how do you play the game or animation, and here notes and credits. So here in notes and credits you can give credits to from whom you have gotten the idea, who has helped you and other things. So now explore I had shown you last time and then ideas. So let us now go to ideas. Well, here are some ideas given to make projects. You can see. Okay, so let me just go to see all tutorials. So yeah, all the tutorials which you can take, you can see. So well, we are not going to do this now, and in some of these tutorials, it is only given half. So and they want you to do everything by yourself. And now let's go to about here. Here is all about Scratch. And so now let's go to here this search option. So here is a search option. For example, I want a game. So if I want a game on hot dog, so hot dog clicker. So let's go to do hot dog, hot dog clicker and press enter. So now you can see here the hot dog clicker game. So now let us go to this mail. Well, so here it will be show you all the messages. Like here is for all activities. Here is comment activities. If anyone commented on your game or replied to a comment in some game, then it will show you here. And then here is project activity. So for example, if anyone liked your game or favorited your game, so that one. And then studio activity. Like for example, studio activity, it will show you like if anyone added a project or commented on your studio. So comment activity, it will be shown in comment activity and forum activity. Well, so forum activity, I'm not going to tell you now. I'll tell you after. And then here. Well, so here are three projects. So you see, I'll just delete this one, and delete this one. So now my space has become empty and now I have 0. And here is trash. If you want to delete all these projects from trash also, you can delete them. So I'll just do empty trash. Oh, I'll have to go to password. Okay, so now I'll submit my password like this. So here it is done, and then my profile I just showed it to you last time. So well, I said that I'm going to show you something on remix and the loving and flirting. So for example, let me just go to this one, Mario Bros. S. Okay, so here is Mario Bros. So you can see, let me just zoom it. And so you can see that here they have given all all the instructions how to play a game. You can see here. WSAD or arrow keys to move, K or X to sprint or attack. You see? And then here is about the notes and credits. A lot of work went into this project. Check out everyone who is working on it. Well, so now let me just show you. And here I appreciate the support and all other things. He has given others the the well. Oops, something went wrong. Error was logged in with ID. Well, so you can just reload the page. Okay. Well, so here is Super Mario Bros. S Dev Studios. So here is all the curators and managers. So you can see, and I'm just going back. Well, so I've just showed you this, and here is translate. So like he has added an extension of translate. So now here are all the comments you can post. So I'll just post nice game and I will post it. So you see my what do you say? Like my comment has gone. And here is the remix option. Here is the star option. So here you can favorite it, and by pressing that you can love it or like it. So here let me just put it well. So here you can see. So if I press this flag or this flag, so I'll just press this flag, and then you can see here it will show like this. Okay guys, so I'm just going to pause my recording for some time. Well, so guys, I'm back. So now, okay, here my game has started. You see? Well, I'm not playing it now. So here the option of remix. So if I press remix, it will remix the game, and I'll be able to change the codes inside it. So while it takes some time in remixing, till that time, let me just open Scratch. Scratch again. And so until it is remixing, I'll show you of another game. Here. Okay, so here is, for example, I go to this studio, best screen gaming. Big screen gaming, sorry. Wait, it's still remixing. Let's have it to the studio. For example, I go to this Flappy Bird. And if you just press remix, you can get to know what is going to happen. So this remix option is dependent on you if you want to remix it or not. If you have tried the remix option, then comment it below. Here's a Flappy Bird. If I want to see its codes, so I'll just go to see inside, and then I can see all the codes he has used. You can see and all the characters. Let me just move my here. Okay, so here. So now, so for today only this much. So hope you have liked my video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.